I'm going to show you how to put the tire on, but first you got to make sure that it smells alright. If it smells alright, then we can move on.
Today I just want to make a quick video to show you how to mount the tire onto your wheel by hand. So we're going to do this with as minimal tools as possible. You just need two 2x4s, just so we can place the rim on them later. Just like that is all we need. 2 screwdrivers. We're going to use a C-clamp and a piece of wood to protect our wheel. And then we need some soapy water. So we want to start off with our wheel face up. We want the white walls out. So we're going to look at the back side and we're going to lubricate this with our soapy water. Now we're just going to start to lay the tire on. You don't want to use the 2x4s under the wheel for the first half of this because the ground is going to keep that wheel from sliding around on you and it'll help a good bit. So now we got the tire mostly on. We just got to work on this lip from here to here. We're going to start using our screwdrivers, but you want to be very careful to not scratch up your wheel. So you're just going to take your time, go nice and slow with this process. Lift up, and I'm pushing back with my hand. Now while the first screwdriver is still in there, I'm going to get the second one set up. Pull the first screwdriver out. There we go. It just pops right on like that. So we got the first half on. Now this part is where we're going to want to stick the 2x4s underneath the rim.
Sorry.
Just like that. The purpose of this is because we need to angle the tire, and having the wheel off the ground a little bit gives us enough room to get that tire angled. Whereas if the wheel was sitting on the ground, the tire is going to hit the ground before you get your proper angle. Now, let's lubricate this lip with the soapy water. And for this one in particular, you want to lubricate the underside as well. Use my knees to help get it started. We got it most of the way on. Now is when we're going to take our clamp, set it on the wheel. We're using the wood on this side just so we don't scratch the face. We don't care about the underside. This clamp is going to help keep the tire from spinning around on us as we're trying to pry the tire over the rim. And apply your weight. And now we're going to use our screwdrivers. We're going to very carefully insert, because we don't want to scratch the lip of the wheel. We're going to pry it up and apply force with your weight. Now I'm going to go just about an inch over. I'm going to do the same thing. Nice and easy. If you push down, we're almost there. That should be pretty much it. Good push. And that's it. It's that easy. Now let's go fill her up with air. So we got the compressor is up to about 170 psi. Now what I'm going to do is sometimes getting the bead set onto your wheel can be a little bit difficult. You'll have to apply some pressure. So I just sit down on it and let the air in. There we go. It's about to pop here. There it is. We just gotta wait for the back. There it is. That should be it. Bead is completely set in the wheel. Thanks for watching this video. The last step you want to do is to go get these tires professionally balanced, but you should save a considerable amount of money doing this by yourself, and it only took me about 5 minutes. See you guys on the next video.